DJ HYDE, I stand here before you, a young man that had a dream. And in 1 week's time, that dream comes true at the biggest show of the year, at the biggest match for CZW, the Cage of Death. After a year plus of trials and tribulations, and your shit talking, and your personal and your physical attacks, it all comes to a halt. It all comes to an end in a week. It's gonna be me and you locked inside the most demonic and sadistic structure this sport has ever seen. There's been 13 of them, and only a handful of men have taken place in that cage. It's ended careers. It's taken years off lives. I know what I got myself into when I started in this genre, this sport, and I know what I'm gonna get myself into on Saturday night when the whole world sees me carve your fucking face in. Cage of Death 14, Shattered Dreams. It's me and you, boss. Nobody else is gonna be in there but me and you. And when they lock that cage door, there's gonna be nowhere to run. There's gonna be nowhere to hide. It's me and you, douchebag. Glass after glass after glass, and I'm gonna throw you through each and every one of them. I've been promised for a year I'm gonna carve your fucking eyes out, and that's just what I'm gonna do. Voorhees, New Jersey. Fly Skate Zone. DJ HYDE, your blood will stain the Garden State. Everything I've had and everything I've worked for in this sport leads up into this moment, because this is all I've ever dreamt of. And to have the opportunity to main event the biggest match of the year in your ring for your company, after all you've done and after all you said, tonight, on Saturday night, I get mine. Because when it's all said and done, from the very hard guardrail that I hopped, I do it for those people. I do it for the men and women in that locker room that despise you. You're the so-called most powerful man in this industry. I say fuck all that. When it comes down to it, you're just DJ HYDE, and I'm just Mac Tremont, and there's nobody that's gonna get in between me and you and get to me from tearing you apart. I'm 23 years old, and all I've ever wanted to do was bleed black and yellow. And I'm gonna make you bleed black and yellow from pillar to post, from cage to cage, on December 8th. DJ HYDE, I've said it time and time again this year, to be the best, you gotta stomp the rest. Well, this Saturday night for the live, and for the whole world to see, I'm gonna stomp the ever-living shit out of you. You may have been able to purchase a wrestling promotion, but come this weekend, you can't buy your way out of the Cage of Death. DJ HYDE, you and the entire wrestling world will hear me. DJ HYDE, you and the entire wrestling world will fear me. And when Cage of Death's all said and done, you and the entire wrestling world will believe me.